In this week's parasha in Revi, we list the birds that are permitted to be eaten versus the birds that are not permitted to be eaten. And there in Pasuk Yud Gimel, verse 13, we read, V'hara'ah ve'et ha'ayah v'hadaya lamina. Three birds that are prohibited from eating. Those three birds actually sound somewhat familiar because back in Vayikra in Shmini, we had a list also of the birds that were not kosher. And there we said, Ve'et hada'ah ve'et ha'ayah, listing two of the three, not the Ra'ah bird. Why is the Ra'ah bird not listed in Vayikra? Explain the Meforshim that the Ra'ah and the Dayah are actually the very same bird themselves. Velama nikra shema ra'ah, asks the Gemara, but why is it called a ra'ah bird? Why is there another name for this non-kosher bird? Shiro ebioter, that it has great eyesight and can see great distances. Or as the Gemara explains, omedet beBavel, it stands in Bavel, this bird. V'ro'en ve'la be'eretz Yisrael, and it can see the carcass of another animal within Eretz Yisrael at such a great distance. Obviously, the statement is hyperbole. And yet, at the very same time, the Oznaim L'Torah teaches us a lesson that there are those people who sit in Bavel, sit in the Galut, in the diaspora, and all they see when they look towards Eretz Yisrael are the Nevelot, are the problems that exist in Eretz Yisrael. And as a result, they don't come to Eretz Yisrael. They don't come to Israel. They don't help Israel because they say everything there is bad. Since October 7th, we have seen this great sense of achdut, of unity and volunteerism to help out the Jews of Eretz Yisrael. And yet some cracks are beginning to form. Some people are beginning to find problems once again with details within the broader picture of what's in Eretz Yisrael, of the opportunities that are there, and the existential threat that is being fought by so valiantly by Tzahal. Some people are in Bavel, and all they can see are the Nevelot, the problems in Eretz Yisrael. It's our opportunity at times like this, at all times actually, to be able to say in the Galut that we're not among those who are in Bavel, Vero'en Nevela Beretz Yisrael. We are not going to be counted among those who see problems, but rather we're going to be those who soar to great heights because of the opportunities that we see to help Eretz Yisrael and to be there.